Black Privilege, Just Make It Back Home by Willie J. Brown III. My parting words as my son prepares to leave home. I am sorry, my child, for what I must say, but I pray for your life each and every day. You are presumed a threat, and you are guilty from the start. The color of your brown skin hides the contents of your heart. So as a frightened parent trying to raise a brown son, I have recurring nightmares of vigilantes with guns. So with a car tracking app and Find My iPhone, my one and only concern is your safe return home. Each racially insensitive incident becomes a life-preserving tool. Before you leave the house, let's review special rules. Drive under the speed limit, turn your music down low, remove hoodies from your heads into each establishment you go. Use left and right turn signals. Always check your headlights. Be aware of your surroundings. Never argue, fuss, or fight. Speak with proper diction. At all costs, avoid drugs. Comb your hair, wear a belt. Be a gentleman, not a thug. In case of a traffic stop, call home, plead the fifth. Call your mom and your dad first if you ever need a lift. Do not try to debate. Do not resist arrest. Study hard, my brown son. You are guilty nonetheless. Roll down your truck windows. Keep your hands held high. Follow instructions that are given. Tell the truth and never lie. Be confident in your abilities. Always charge your iPhone. All I care about each day is your safe return home. Use only hands-free devices. Always mind your attitude. When you see questionable actions, walk away, don't be rude. Your watch is GPS enabled. It shares your location. Think like your mom or your dad when in an awkward situation. All I care about right now is my child's safe return home. I want grandkids someday. I need my legacy to live on. Black privilege forces me to interrogate and to accuse. You are my greatest asset ever. You're too valuable to lose. All I truly care about is my child's safe return home. Open your eyes, my true friends. That's what's really going on. All I care about daily is my child's safe return home. Hashtag Black Privilege. Make sure that you make it home.